In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default webcam on your Windows 10 computer. So this should definitely be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to now go ahead and select where it says Devices and Printers. If you don't see it here, you might have to go ahead and set your view by to large icons and then select Devices and Printers. Now if you see multiple webcams listed in here, you want to go ahead and right click on the applicable webcam and just select Set as Default. So there should be an option for that when you right click on it. And if you want to take it a step further, if you open up Device Manager, so if you search for it in the Start menu and you go ahead and open it up, and there's a cameras section, you can try double clicking on it, and if you have a second camera listed in here that you don't want to use, you can try right clicking and then just disabling the device, and that should hopefully be able to clear that up as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.